So welcome everybody. Uh, Hello. I welcome you all to this particular video on Hridan Festival and how to register with Hridan Festival. So we are going to look what kind of basic formalities we need to complete before registering. So if you want to register with any of the events with us, you have to visit this page, the Hridan, this hridan.kalamfoundation.org page. Okay, so either you can visit on this particular page or you can get the direct registration link. Okay, of the Google form. Okay, this particular Google form. Okay, which we are going to see. Okay, so this is the Google form where we are going to which is basically we are going to use for submitting our response, our registration. Okay, so either you are going to get this particular link, okay, or you are going to get you have to visit this page, the hridan.kalamfoundation.org web page. Okay, over in this particular website you are going to get all the information related to the event. Okay, and this beautifully designed frequently asked question is more than enough for you to understand what basically we are doing with this festival, why this festival has been organized. I hope that you have that basic understanding. And so let's proceed with the process through which we are going to get registered for any of the events with us. Okay, so there are various buttons like this register, the participate now buttons everywhere in this website. Okay, click any of them and you will be directed to this particular Google form. Okay, and once you have been directed to this particular Google form, what you have to do, you have to basically fill up this Google form. Okay, in this particular part there are a few informations which you have been asked. So let me fill a dummy form and let me go through with it. So let's suppose, yeah, so let's suppose this is Mr. X, okay, whose email ID is this. Okay, and this is his mobile number. Okay, so after filling all these three things, you are going to fill this particular part of the events of participation section. Okay, so there are basically four different types of events we are organizing in this Hridan festival. The first one is the online games, the second one is the visual arts, third one is performing arts, and the fourth one is knowledge forum. So in the online games section we have games like PUBG, Call of Duty, chess, Ludo, etc. Besides that, in the visual art section we have the painting, poster making and sketching competitions. In performing arts, rapping, poetry and singing competitions are there. Besides that, in the knowledge forum we have the debates, webinars and quiz competitions taking place. Okay, so let's suppose Mr. Test is interested in participating in the online games part. Okay, so he will select online games and he will press next. After pressing that, you will be directed to the second page of this form, this Google form, where you will be asked which online game you want to play. Okay, so let's suppose if he is interested in PUBG, he will select PUBG and press next. After pressing next, he will be directed to another page. There will be this question where it will be asked what kind of registration he wants. If he wants to play individually, he can choose individual registration. If in case if he is interested in team registration, he will select team registration. So let's suppose if he is selecting team registration, he will be directed to another page where all the names of the four team members will be asked. So let's suppose A, B, C, D is the name of the four team members. Okay, and after submitting the name, okay, we will press next. And once we will press next, we will be directed to this particular donation page. Okay, and in case if let's suppose uh, Mr. Test is interested in only individual registration, then he will select individual registration and press next, and he will be directly directed to this particular donation page. Okay, so this is basically the page where we are going to proceed with the donation part of it. Okay, so as you would know that we are working for a cause. So for that particular thing, we are asking for donations. Okay, so for to participate in any of the individual events with us, you have to pay a minimum of 30 rupees in this donation section. Okay, you have to donate a minimum of 30 rupees. Okay, however, if you are interested, if you feel like that, okay, this cause is good, nice, and is very important, in that case you can pay whatever amount you can. Okay, but a minimum of 30 rupees in case if you are participating as an individual. For team registration it is 100. Okay, so for a team of 4, so let's suppose there are 4 people who are going to participate in the team event, so they will have to pay minimum of 100 rupees. Okay, obviously they can pay more than that, but then a minimum of 100 rupees is what we have put up. Okay, for Ludo registration, what we have done is that there is only rupees 20 which you are supposed to pay, minimum of 20 rupees. Okay, for Ludo registration. Okay, and for team registration you have to pay rupees 60. Okay, so this is only for Ludo only. Okay, and for all the other events, for all the other games and events, you have to pay rupees 30 for individual registration and 100 for a team registration. Okay, now the important part of it, that how we are going to support complete this donation. Okay, so you can use multiple online methods, whichever you feel like. Okay, so the most convenient one is this UPI link. So you can copy this UPI link and make the payment on any of the UPI app like the Google Pay, Phone Pay, or any such like any of those applications. Okay, um, besides that, you can directly pay using this link. Okay, so there you will be directed to the Milap donation page, and there you can make your donations. Okay, and in any of the case, in any of the way you will complete your donation, what you will be getting, you will be getting an online receipt. Okay, online donation receipt. Okay, and you have to basically upload that donation receipt over here. Okay, so that our team can verify the donation made from your side. Okay, so this is one also one easier way of making the donation. So this is the QR code for that particular donation page. So if you can open any of the payment applications like the Google Pay, Phone Pay, SBI Pay, or any of these UPI apps like the Bheem app, you can use those applications, scan this QR code and make the payment. Okay, once you will complete the payment, okay, the number associated with that particular payment, okay, on that particular payment number, if you have the WhatsApp active on that particular number, you will receive a WhatsApp text from Milap. Okay, so like just a few moments earlier, I made this 30 rupees donation using this particular QR code. Okay, so Milap sent me this particular message. Okay, this customized message was sent from Milap to my WhatsApp number, because I had used this particular number only to make the UPI transaction. Okay, so once I have completed this transaction, I will be sent this message, and on this particular message there is this payment acknowledgement part. Okay, what I have to do, I have to just click on this. Okay, and it will automatically get downloaded over here. Okay, I will select this option, show in folder. Okay, I will go back to my donation receipt file. Okay, here I will select, I will click, and a file will open. Okay, and on this particular file I can easily select that particular uh, document which I had just received. Okay, and once I have made that one, okay, so this one is the document I had just received. I attached this document over here. Okay, and I press the upload button. Okay, it's getting uploaded, and once this gets uploaded, it will be uploaded over here, and I can press the submit button. Okay, so before that, let's see what kind of certificate we are going to get from Milab. Okay, so this is obviously is a PDF document. Okay, this is the acknowledgement of the payment you have made. So I just had made the 30 rupees payment, so I have got this receipt of 30 rupees with the receipt number and everything. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make the payment, save this document and upload it. Either you want to save it, or basically you have to upload that particular donation certificate over here and press the submit button. Once you will press the submit button, you will be uh, your registration process will be completed. Okay, fine. In case of any queries, in case of any doubts, in case of any problem, you people, any one of you can get in touch with us. Okay, so this is basically our helpline number. If you can note down this one, 9651000733, you can call or text or WhatsApp or whatever you may feel like. If you have any issues, please let us know. We will be more than happy to help you. This festival is all about joy. This festival is all about celebrating the feeling of giving to others and working for others. So let's come together and celebrate this, and this feeling, celebrate this festival, and do our bit for our senior citizens and other community members. Thank you so very much. Bye.